Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear students. Once again, warmly welcome to my all students. Okay, as you know very well, we just read it and we discuss about the one of the most beautiful poem of the schoolboy. Okay, we read it about and thoroughly read it about the stanzas, about the summary, question answers, about the poetic devices. How can you differentiate between the similes and metaphor? About the comparison qualities and ideas. Okay, open your books once again. Open your books. Take your lead pencil, highlighter. Okay, drafting pad. ये सब चीजें अपने करीब रख लें near your surroundings. Okay, and the page number 42. We discuss about the vocabulary task. It's one of the interesting and very most eye-catching point of regarding poetic devices, and poetic devices are consist of different parts of structure. Okay, regarding the vocabulary. I read the text and once again I just ask to all of you to अपने बैठते हुए पास अपने जितने आपके रिसोर्स पैक्स हैं वो ओपन कर लीजिएगा और पोएटिक डिवाइसेस बेस उसमें जो शीट्स हैं वो निकाल लें ताकि इट कुड बी वेरी बेटर फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू to discuss these powerpoints by using the different examples and different imagination of things regarding the poetic devices. Okay, the term we discuss about the similes and the metaphor. Once again, I give you a brief introduction about the similes. What about the similes? जरा ध्यान से देखें क्योंकि बार बार मैंने इस चीज को एक दफा समझाना है और thoroughly इसको आपने समझना है. What about the similes? Please make sure to open your handouts, okay, or PowerPoints or photocopy material which is being piled or arranged in your resource pack too. Similes, okay, a comparison. Once again, I explain you about the similes. A comparison between the two unlike things, like unlike forces you read about in Wagner's. Here we not like to say unlike forces, unlike things that have something in common, a very common, very ordinary, is called a similes. Okay, like a similes is always use the words like or as. ये मैंने कल ही आपको बताया था जो अपने as and like, as bold as like as intelligent as like towards that person which is like. I give you a comparison example. Paul was as strong as an ox. Similes. Okay, the forest was as quiet as the forest or jungle. Okay, was as quiet, as silent, as quiet, as silent as a falling leaf. Example उसने use की है पत्ता जैसे गिरता है, a pin drop silent. So comparison between two things, okay, two other things, two unlike things, that is a similes. Okay, we discuss about the metaphor. हमने इससे भी पढ़ा कल हमने. Metaphor is a figure of speech, very simple figure of speech, comparison or a comparing two unlike things that have something in common. Common कहते हैं मुश्तरक को, ordinary, a same as. The comparison is made without. Metaphor mean a comparison but without. Which thing? Without. Okay, the use of. अब उसमें use ना तो like है ना as है. Direct उसका use है. That direct this thing is we compare. Direct that things with attached with that similarity. The use of like or that not. My voice was. My sound was. My sound quality. My voice was a cannon breaking the silence. It means it's a direct comparison type of metaphor. Her hair was silk. Her hair was silk. Her hair was silky. Okay. Same thing I discussed last time मैंने जो lecture आपको पढ़ाया. I discussed with you similes, a direct comparison. Once again, a direct comparison of two unlike things. Two unlike things is called similes. It uses like with the help of like or. Like, you say once again, and as, as. Like, Marley was as dead as a doornail. Direct similes. My future is bright as the sun. It's a direct similes which is compared to a sun. Okay. Metaphor. It's an indirect. Once again, I explain you. It's an indirect comparison of two unlike things does not use like or as, but direct comparison. Direct comparison. Like we climbed a mountain. One more example. We climbed a mountain. Okay, preparing for this week's test. Okay, my heart sang. My heart joy. My heart sang when I brought home a new pair of a new pair of couch. Okay, so this is the difference between the similes and metaphor, direct and indirect difference. Now discuss that imagery. IMAGERY. Okay, imagery. Imagery mean one of the good classic things we can discuss in this poetic device. I love this work and make sure to discuss about the imagery. It's a one of the excellent and quite one of the well think which can express the target of points. Like you make sure to draw a 5 symbol of hand. Like I'm saying this, make. Literally, I'm doing a hand expression pattern. It's my left hand. Imagery. Okay, this is one of the good thing you can use to like in here, like sight, like smell, like taste, like touch, and like here, as you say, sound quality. God gift us, and God given us our 5 senses: sight, smell, taste, touch. Here, sight for eye, smell for nose. Also, we indicate your human body organ. Okay, feel like your touch, hand, feeling of expression, feeling of any emotions, whatever, inner feeling, outer feeling, whatever. So, okay, sound quality, use your ear, outer ear. And what about the taste and the tongue? Because taste can indicate 4 type of flavors, like sweet, like salty or salt, like bitter, like you say sour. 4 types of, I'm just talking about the taste sense. 5 senses are there. I'm talking about the taste sense. Okay, what about imagery? Imagery is one of the classic and one of the most important expression of the poetic devices, and one of the good quality in human, especially in human, in animals too. In humans are living creatures. I'm just talking about the living creatures. I'm the living creature, you are the living creature. This is one of the good quality. Like you take the example of Final Destination movie, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, even part 6 is in progress. I think so in the month of August that movie released. Okay, what about whenever you watch that movie, any part, one person get a different imaginations to different clues, different imagination facts to different clues, through hear, through sight, in dream, in open eyes, in soundings, through touch, to feel anything of any object, as in hot, indicate fire. He got stuck in fire. Okay, any cold, he got stuck in any frozen thing. Whispering, sound, quality of sound. Okay, literally a train sound, just stuck to be the part 2. There are different accidental, all of a sudden accidental cause come through train, through car, through motorcycle. So these things are based on imagination. And imagery, imagery, I'm going to say imagination, imagery plays one of the vital role in poetic devices rule. Many poets use the nature of objects for their imagination. Like if you take the example of William Wordsworth, he's a great poet of nature. He's a great poet of nature. He's a great lover of nature. So that's why in his poetry, he just consume and he just observe the nature. Like you take the example of daffodils, level them submerses, different poem. So even different poets take different ideas, a different thought regarding deserts, tropical rainforests, woods mean jungle, keep it quite a bit silent there. What about the water? What about the clouds? What about the ocean? It means the poet which want to use and utilize his poetry, his or her poetry, okay? It means that based on some kind of poetic devices, and there is the term which is required to use there, that is imagery, imagination. Imagination plays one of the important role in our human person. Being I'm a human person, I can feel a different in myself. I feel a different feelings regarding different my students, different my colleagues, different my friends, different my relatives, even animals, birds, whatever. So being as a person, being as a human person, same things about that person which feel to express the emotions through his writing, facts through his poetry, imagination, to his fact in drama, to fact in novel, whatever. So it depends to the writer, it depends to the poet, it depends to the poetess, it depends to the writers, whatever authors, what they want to express and what they want to write in their article. But we discuss about the imagery. What's mean by the imagery? Now I can explain you in the PowerPoints, and then we discuss the target. To make an imaginary world, imagination based movies, you can just take the example imagination based movies. I give you example of Final Destination, Fatal Attraction, okay. Like you, animated movies are also based on the imaginations, okay. There are many good other dramas which were telecasted on the American channels and British channels too, regarding the imagination, and even people can take a sport to capture that, to play in Britain and America too, okay. To make an imaginary world seem to be a real, seem to be a collectively a real point of view, an author often makes use of words and phrases, use of words and collection of phrases that appeal to the sense, that touch, that link, that connect with that sense, these senses. These words are phrases, keep in mind, and called images. This is called images. Images help a reader, and that is one of the most supportive for the help for the reader to just to mentally experience. What about the mental experience? What the characters in the literacy elements, selections are actually experiencing. Like I give you an example of now sight. I make sure to draw a eye, sight, eye for sight. Okay, like the color variations. Ocean color, cloud color, pillow color, cotton color, hair color, okay, orange, glare, green, violet, lilac, blue, dark blue, white and dry willows. These are the variation which is captured in my eye and my sight. Okay. What about smell? There are different type of smell. Raw smell, rotten smell, dry smell. Okay, you can say dusty odor or the dryness of earth. Okay, pollen, seeds just being whenever in air it become to the droplets of tiny droplets. Their taste about a different flavor of these taste can judge. A tongue can judge these flavors like sweet, bitter, sour, salty. Okay, what about the drinks taste? Juice, milkshake, water. Common sense question. This is the common questions regarding to how to judge and how to identify lemonade, the blend of taste of the stretchy bananas you can say, a ripe grapes juice. Okay, termite can be used as in juice, as a raw form pulp. Okay, sound like we say the crackling, rumbling, thundering, rustling of leaves. Okay, rumble of sound, you can read about the rumble in tummies, incomprehension, rustling of leaves. Okay, thundering. Okay, horning there. Touch, to touch the different objects by your experience. Hot teacup, a cold frozen glass. Okay, you feel the warmth of sun, extremely hot, you feel extremely coldness. It's your feelings regarding the touch. Touch is the feeling of expression which you feel by the touching of any object. by anything touch you. Anything touch you. Air can touch you, wind can touch you, any other one person touch you. You feel that a harder person touch your body, a soft person whenever shaken with you, you feel by his skin is soft or a hard. When you take any object in your hand, it's a heavy, it's a light, it's very soft. Okay. So these things can be easily judged by the imagination, imaginary, or imagination play a one of the vital role in poetic devices. Okay, I can explain you further more with the best of time when the poetic devices is used in different places on different times. But now we pay focus on the text PowerPoints. Okay, imagery as a descriptive language that use your highlighter to underline these definitions. And please also we take a necessary guidance from these fact sheets and resource sheet and handouts which are be composed and piled attached in your pile work in the source pack. Okay, readers various senses. People have a lot of senses regarding their sense. If their sense of humor are present, it means these 5 senses are the feeling of expressions regarding sight, smell, taste, touch, hear, sound, whatever. So they can judge it very well. Okay, it adds detail and provides the readers with a richer description of a person regarding their sense, place, thing. Please underline this PowerPoint. Okay, I read this stanza. The flowers of fluttering inner words, fluttering as the wind stir in their hearts, and the sun showering them with light reveals a hall of golden dancers. So this is a stanza. So this stanza, how can reflect, how can we use the senses here, imaginary sense here. We can discuss this in the verse, imaginary words used and appeals to. In 4 column verse, imaginary words used and appeals to. And I also will share this working in group work too. In the above example, please, this is a stanza and being as an example, the poet compares the flowers. Please use your highlighter and make sure the poetic devices, poetical techniques which is used here. Compares flowers swaying in the wind on a sunny morning. Just say the last in the poetry, the schoolboy read about a summer morning. Here the word is come sunny morning to a hall full of dancer. The hall is full of dancer, glooming attraction there. Okay, doing a verse. The play of images draws upon the sense of sight. A perfectly use of sense of sight. A use of sight, a clearly sized by using a sight sense, colors, okay, their textures, their shapes, whatever their shapes, okay, the readers as a description of the sense. By using imagery, the poet conveys the sense of beauty. A message which want to the poet tell us that is a sense of beauty. How to develop a sense of beauty and joy more effectively, more attractively than if it had simply said the flowers were swaying in the wind. What about the simple structure? What about the detailed structure, which is using the 5 PowerPoints? Okay, study the poem The Schoolboy. Okay, once again, it's depend to you. Again and again, read this poem. Study the poem or a poem, The Schoolboy. What imagery does the poet use? What imagery Mr. William Blake use in this poem? Do the images appeal to all or only some of the 5 senses? All poetic devices or specific or any 5 the poet used in this poem? What words are used to construct the images? What are the most convenient words which use in this verse, imagery word used and appeals to for this construction as being as images? Please listen what I mean to say. आप इसको ध्यान से सुने कि इस whole poem के जो images है उसकी construction जो है वो imagery पे क्यों base करती है, क्या reason है? Please just got stuck in this mind. Okay. Answer by filling in the table below. Okay, make sure to complete this table task on this structure. I can share with you in your group too. अगर किसी बच्चे को इसमें difficulty होती है, he or she cannot be capable to fill these column in proper order, then they try to use. Then otherwise, first one prefer to complete this all target on this column. If you are not capable to go through this complete target on the this textbook, then you try to use your drafting pad and make sure to make the column one verse, then imagery in two, words used here and appeals to, and then fill this column with the help of lead pencil and dark it too, because the color is very light, and sometimes when just books are going into checkpoint for the teacher used to check them, it's very difficult to read them because बच्चे बहुत उसको light लिखते हैं. So make sure to sharp your pencil in a proper order. Okay, I just given you one column, then two column, then three column to indicate these all PowerPoints very carefully, because these are the one of the structured work and helpful for you to smoothly helpful for you to read about the poem and find these targets too. Okay, you read the poem personally once again. आपने इसको पढ़ना है और साथ साथ आंसर्स को आपने उसमें सर्च लाइक वर्स in the finding in stanza 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the verse is the word sweet company. The word, मैंने इसको बबल बना दिया है, आपने इसको कॉलम में ही करना है. What sweet company, स्पेस जरा लेस है, so that's why मैंने ना उसको जरा थोड़ा सम अप किया है. वर्स, imagery, imagery, to be with somebody. Okay, मैं इतना पेस जरा कम है, so that's why अगर 4 टारगेट है मैं बाद में आपको समझा देता हूँ. वर्ड्स used. Sweet company is my opinion, which I felt to whenever I read this poetry, maybe some different. So it's depend to you why these words or selection is different regarding these ideas. Okay. Appeals to, afterwards I write here. Okay. Number 2 in column. In sign, SIGHING, and dismay. Please, once again, you read this whole poetry very carefully. Okay? To represent unhappy feeling, sad, so. I also once again tell you, I share these all answer in your group work too. Sign, dismay. Number 3, sit in a cage. And sing. Place is less, so that's why मैंने जरा इसको जरा sum up किया, मतलब short form में. Singing in a cage. Singing a cage. Words used like cage, sing. Cage mean pinjra. Yet made of plastic, yet made of iron with the help of strings, तारों की wires की मदद से बना होता है. Okay. Number 4. Many, 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 and annexes, which and betab are. Okay, these are the words. Please make sure the PowerPoints 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. This is the words target. Second one is imagery. Third one is word used, and fourth one is there is no place. So I rub the words and then make sure to write the appeals to. Why these appeals to be appearing here? Okay, annexes are to express unrest, and words used as a specific form. Annexes are. Okay, This is the verse portion. This is imaginary column. This is words used. Okay. Words about appeals to. Appeals to. Okay. And now I rub this, the last one. Once again, I just ask to you, the students which are really be capable to complete this task by their own self is one of the good thing. If they feel a little bit difficulty, then they try to take support from this chart. This chart to how to complete this column. Appeals to, ये column list था, due to less space मैं यहाँ कर रहा हूँ. Appeals to. मैं इसको blue marker से fill कर देता हूँ ताकि आपको कोई confusion ना हो. Appeals to. Okay. In the first felt I feeling, the imaginary which he felt, the word sweet company. It means it's the feelings. Feelings of different emotions, expressions, okay. Feeling of loneliness, feeling of dead tiredness, feeling of happiness, feeling of joyness, feeling of you say smartness is the one of the good quality in any other one person. Maybe it depends to the person why the person is so smart. Okay. In the second, in sign in this way, the appeals to attach with senses. Senses. Make sure their senses in second column. Okay. Sit in a cage and sing. It means it's depend the human organ of muscular human organ, like say heart, feel, heartbeat, and these things most important for the expression of this word, mind and heart too. In the end, mind, what is in your mind and what is be happening with your heart as a situation. Mind and heart, you both please mention this both of point word here, mind and slash their heart. So feelings of expressions, feeling of senses, human as in heart, feeling of heart being as a muscular organ, a very important organ in human person. And what about the brain? What about the brain? And what about in brain in your mind? And what about the human heart? As once again there. So this is the one of the structure which I feel regarding this point. If there any confusion, if maybe there is something answer is different, whenever you read this poem and you are capable to use this whole structure, verse, imagery, and the words used as in this poem, and appeals to why these appeals to. If they are different, you are be given thoroughly authority to make sure to write by your own self. But please make sure this word is really correct. This word is not incorrect. Really, this word is be used in this term too. Okay, on the next page, page number 43, a similes is a figure of speech. Once again, I repeat from the text, and you are capable to just to be know about the similes in detail by taking support from your worksheets and resource pack sheets too. On the page number 43, a similes is a figure of speech that compares to two things using the word like, or the structure of as. ये मैंने आपको explain कर दिया. They help create rich images by using the attributes of one object to describe another. Describe another like a nature, like an animal. Example as an inserts with reptile. Okay, nature with non-living things too. Such as an example, please make sure before making her speech, May, name of the girl, May was very nervous. Okay, what about the similes used here? Before making her speech, May was so nervous that she looked as pale, the color, deep yellow, which means pale and pale. It's a pun word too, homophone word. Pale is the color and pale is the bucket. Like in Jack and Jill to fetch a pail, Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. This pale is used in the poetic rhyme. And this word is the pale. Pale is the color, dark pale. पीला पड़ जाना इसको कहते हैं. May was so nervous that she looked as pale as a ghost. Okay, this is the simile. Before making her speech, May was so nervous that she looked like a ghost. So the as and then like, both are points clear about a similes. ठीक है, similes. You read about the similes in Urdu too. ठीक है, जैसे उसका रंग इतना साफ है जितना आसमान. उसके चेहरे की रंगत इतनी साफ है जितना के दूध साफ, ठीक है। उसकी बातों में इतनी उसकी बातें इतनी साफ शफाफ हैं जैसे नदी का साफ शफाफ पानी, एज क्लियर एज ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑफ वाटर, ट्रांसपेरेंसी ऑफ वाटर, ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑफ वाटर। Complete the following sentences with the correct adjective from the box: busy, strong, stubborn, heavy, light. Okay, these are the one of the good examples to complete at on your page. Please open your textbook, page number 43. I read the sentence one by one, and please write the answers with the help of your lead pencil, with the help of your lead pencils on your book. Okay, my dear students. Number one, the students were as busy as bees. It's comparison with bees. Okay, busy as busy. Okay, bees मक्खियों को कहते हैं. Preparing for the upcoming an exam, upcoming any assignment, whatever. So sentence change भी हो सकता है. After completing his test, Dan was relieved and felt as light as feather, as light, as soft as feather. Pillow change भी हो सकता है. Having lost the competition, Gina, heart was heavy like a rock, like a stone, like a brick, like a mountain. Similes must be changed according to the sentence, according to the requirement. Dash like an ox, strong, powerful, strong. The broad-shouldered man lifted the entire rock by himself. It's one of the good point and good simile is true. She kept on arguing. She kept on arguing her point like a stubborn mule until we all have gave up trying to persuade her. There are some specific for more similes being as a practice in your resource pack. आपके resource pack में आपके लिए poetic devices से related बहुत सारे ऐसे different assignments हम लोगों ने attach किए हुए हैं, like similes, like metaphor, personification, imagery, and some other past paper and assessment also be attached in your resource pack. So you are all capable to solve these assignments whenever you read and take interest as deeply interest in this all part of poetic devices, and you can get the good result because exam में 10 marks का आपका question जो है poetic devices पे, unseen poetic devices पे जरूर आता है. Okay, open your books once again and page number 44. We discuss about the semicolon and colon. Okay, it's one of the good grammar part which we discuss here. Okay, use your highlighter or a lead pencil to underline it. Do you know when we use semicolon? The symbol is like this. Highlight कर लीजिएगा please. In the previous fact, in the past it was used more often than we use in these days. Nowadays, as compared to the past days, there are examples of semicolon in the poem. There are some. The poem is full of variety. Keep in mind, it's one of the good poem of William Blake and full of lot of variety. Okay, it's having some parts in verses, in different stanzas, in verses 1 and 3. Please underline the schoolboy in verses 1, 3 and 5. Semicolon is used here. Nowadays, poet would probably not, but in the past, mostly poetess use this kind of technique, but yet not now. Presently, many different poets or you say poets not adopt this method. This discussion is regarding in the past. We can use a semicolon in place of a conjunction if we not use the conjunctions there, linking word, joining word. Okay, then we use semicolon. It's another opportunity for all of you if we are not going to use a conjunctions, or if we are not want to use a conjunction, part of conjunction, there are variety of conjunction, then there's other option is semicolon. Okay, to give additional information, it's being as an additional information regarding your sentence, regarding your verse, regarding in your paragraph, regarding in your structure sentence. Okay, particularly if we want to sound sharper, or more specific, it is a slightly longer pause than a comma. Pause than a comma. It be a slightly pause. Pause कहते हैं वक्फा. As compared to the comma. COMM. Comma. So why this thing is going to, like, I'm giving you one example and that can make sure you to indicate that. Jack was late for school every day. Please सेंटेंस में देखें सेमीकोलन का यूज हुआ है, नो यूज ऑफ एनी कंजक्शन. He hated seeing the towering school gates. Sentence complete. You could replace a semicolon. How can now we replace a semicolon with a conjunction and? With a conjunction and. Jack was late for the school every day, so semicolon is not required to use now. Direct we use the linking word, joining word, conjunction as a supporting word and. And the next sentence proceed. He hated seeing the towering school gates. It means he hated seeing the towering school gate. Sentence is complete. Add a dot at the end. Commas are, one more good thing, commas are frequently used to separate items in a list. Like you say, I just go to a farmland. There you saw a variety of animals. Like you say, I made up this please. I went to a village farmland. There were a lot of variety of animals. I saw rare cows, sheep, camels, buffaloes, and lambs. So comma, not comma, conjunction and then full stop. It means the frequent use of commas in a sentence, and all of a sudden when the sentence is in the completing on the peak level, you try to use your conjunctions. Different variety, there are lot of variety of conjunctions, and many times I ask to you, all of you, to please use these conjunctions, to observe these conjunctions as a specific sheet, as a specimen of sheets where the specific conjunctions are used in your daily life, in your written article, for your different uses. They also be mentioned in your resource pack. So that's why you just get information through, and I discuss this the conjunction in the next grammatical objects too. जब हम grammar को discuss करेंगे, we discuss about the variety of conjunction. But now time we use what about the frequent use of commas to separate item in a list that follows a colon too. Colon is that, once again I tell you, and semicolon is that. Okay? In old methods, in past too. Especially if the items are relatively short. There are 4 things, please make sure to highlight it. There are 4 things that life has taught me. Okay? उसके आगे देखो इसने foreign colon use किया. Which? Not tell a lies, a bit comma. Not to shrink my duties, comma. Not to stay up late, comma. And conjunction. And be polite to girls. These are the 4 good qualities. There are 4 things that life taught me. It's a very good example. Please make sure to write here example to example and just to one by one in comma time come here. Not to tell lies, comma. Do not shrink my duties, okay, comma. Not to stay up late, comma. And being as conjunction used here, be polite to girls. Longer items in a list, it's a shorter. What about the longer? Longer items in a list, first mein, should be separated by semicolons. This one. Symbols, please keep in mind and grab. This is the symbol related to colon, semicolon, comma, punctuation, full stop. Okay, inverted comma begins, inverted comma close. Okay, dash, pause. There are 4 things that life has taught me. Once again, in a detail, this question comes as a text. Okay, colon, 2 dot, upper and lower. Not to tell lies, even to escape 7 punishments. What? Semicolon, use here. Please highlight the semicolon too. Not to shirk my duties, even. Even is a conjunction. If is to conjunction. It means missing my layered time, semicolon. Not to stay up late, once again use of conjunction. If I have school the text day, semicolon. And to be polite to girls, a bit comma. Especially as, once again use of conjunction. Okay, reserve conjunction. They are the ones who help you with your homework. full stop. It shows a proper sense in the paragraph regarding colon, semicolon, comma, use of conjunction, a variety of conjunction. Okay, make sure the pair each clause A with the correct one in B. They should be joined with semicolon. Semicolon. Also suggest what conjunction could be used instead. अगर हम इसमें semicolon तो use करते हैं, लेकिन अगर हम इसमें conjunction को use करें तो कौन से लगा सकते हैं? मैं A target B पढ़ देता हूँ. इसका जो solution है, but about the answer I share in a group. Okay, and the inserts of semicolon on the following sentence, each which ends with a list 1, 2, 3, okay, and 4. ये बड़ा अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग पैराग्राफ फॉर्म में है. ये भी आपको ग्रुप में शेयर कर देते, मैं रीड कर देता हूँ, आपको बता देता हूँ. ओके, Mina had to pick her little sister up. I'm yet reading about the column 1. The computer crashed, C-R-A-S-H-A-D. The school bag was so heavy. The bell went and I joined school. What about in B? B is in reorder. You want to be reordered it. Okay, he could hardly lift it. I enjoy the holidays more. All the children with comma except one comma got into line. Her little sister was late and the screen went completely blank. Completely blank. So what about this whole target which is be discussed in this poetry? Okay, मैं इसको आप लोगों के सामने बता देता हूँ. आप लोग इसमें सेमीक्लॉन्स को सेट कर लें. I have the board. Okay, like Mina had to pick her little sister up. Okay, up. Make sure to use the semicolon and attach with her little sister was late. And the conjunction probably is confirmed to use here but. Okay, this is one. After completing his test, a bit comma, use here. I'm just giving the answer which then was lived and felt as light. Sorry, bit a mistake है ये थोड़ा सा. Semicolon आपने पहले उसको शो करना है. Bishop pointer से शो करने, use of dark black pointer or a marker to deeply explain that computer is cached, semicolon and match the answer that the computer crashed the screen. The wind screen or a screen of a computer went completely 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 blank. Okay, there are two adjectives which we want apply here. Like you use and is correct, or as a choice. So semicolon की जगह अगर आप लोग रिप्लेस करके कंजक्शन ऐड करना चाहें, it is and is also the correct answer. So is also the use of correct conjunction as being as an answer here. The school bag was so heavy, semicolon. Okay, deeply make sure to a dot and a comma to show here an answer which match here. He could hardly lift it. And use of a conjunction is possible here and. Conjunctions के आंसर्स को आप एंड पे भी लिख लें और अगर सेंटर में प्लेस बनता तो दे लें, मुझे कोई इतराज नहीं है. Okay, the bell went semicolon, make sure to attach in the center and answer match here. All the children all the children, a bit comma, the bell went, okay, all the children bit comma, except one, a bit comma, once again, bit comma, got into line. Two possible conjunctions add here, and maybe so. ये दोनों आप यूज कर सकते हैं. Last, I enjoy the school. मैंने statement बोली है, but you just also we read the statement and then make sure to use semicolon, then attach with the help of your, then use line with the help of your scale and lead pencil tool. I enjoy the school, semicolon. Okay, आप ये डैश नीचे डाली, मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए लगाया. Okay, I enjoy the holidays. Okay, more, and possible you say conjunction which is used to replace the semicolon but. So this is the answer regarding the conjunctions. Semicolon, what was the use in the center semicolon, and what about the exact answers to match them, and this is the particular conjunctions which you want to use here. Okay, this is the target task regarding in the textbook. Okay, next जो part है, चूंकि इस time is very less, मैं आपको explain कर देता हूँ जैसे किया है. Insert are semicolons in the following sentences, each of which ends with a list. Okay, in the paragraph 1, then paragraph 2, then paragraph 3, then paragraph 4, and what about in part C? 6 semicolons are missing from the passage. In this passage, there are 6 semicolons are missing here. Put them back where they ought to be. आपने इसको खुद पढ़ना है. वैसे ग्रुप में मैं इसकी आंसर की आपकी जो है वो शेयर कर दूंगा, बट प्लीज इट्स माय ऑलवेज बी हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू टू मेक श्योर योरसेल्फ टू डू द क्वेश्चन बाय योर ओन सेल्फ. अगर आपको इतना डिटेल में आज समझाया है मैंने, इट टेक सम specific time, some reserved time to explain all of you regarding poetry, poetic devices, regarding poem structure, regarding most important PowerPoints which is a poet want to describe or use in his poetry. So it means you are now capable to find these further targets by your own self. It's not a difficult task for all of you to make sure to find these questions targets by your own self. But please, I also make sure to promise with you. It's one of the good thing if you want to do your work by your own self. देखिए ये अच्छी बात है कि अगर आप खुद से अपने अंदर इतना इंडिपेंडेंट हो. क्रैमिंग, रट्टा, चीटिंग, दिस इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग. दिस इज वन ऑफ द बैड फैक्टर. अगर आपको इतना अच्छा एक्सप्लेन किया जाता है, इट मीन्स दैट यू आर फुली बी thoroughly. I may just prepare my lesson in the thorough way. And when I want to deliver that lesson, it's my one of the best opportunity or a purity how to deliver my lesson in the easy, in the convenient way. And this thing is not difficult. The target is very easy. That is that you read the text very carefully. That make sure where the semicolon is used here. Okay, I use the further points of like listening, speaking, introduction about the poetry and writing, a composed writing, and find about the William Blake. And I share this work in group work. And this work answer, like you say, the page number 45 and 46 as a 6 semicolon are missing from the passage. Put them back where they as we found in this part. Okay, this is the end of this poem exercise, and I hope so you really enjoy this whole targets. Further in the next lesson, I also explain you about some more poetic devices, about the listening target, speaking target, writing task, and activity task too. Okay, keep stay at your home and enjoy your life, and make sure to do your work in a proper order by your own self. Okay, goodbye, take care of yourself. Khuda Hafiz.